Hey guys, it's Sarah here, and today I was coming on to review this darling picture frame. Guys, look how cute that is. It is acrylic scalloped picture frame. It holds a 4x6. That is the size picture I have in there right now. I love the scalloped edging. Let me show you up close. So very cute. I feel like any picture you throw in there, it's just gonna make it look 10 times better, just because how cute the frame is. Let me show you the chunkiness. All right, see how chunky that is? You can either have it like that, because it will stand up that way, or like this. And the company did say if you put it somewhere where they can see back and front, you can definitely throw a picture in the back too, because both sides are clear. All right, that is so fresh. Thank you so much for the company for sending me these out to review. I actually really love them, and I'm definitely gonna use them. Let me show you real quick how you can open and close them. All right. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but it's all right. Okay, so see how the magnets are there? The magnets are what holds it into place. Let me fix this real quick. You put it like that. Might be a little crooked because the one hand thing. And then you just click it in. And look how easy that is, guys. So cute. I love it so much. The company actually also sends you a little microfiber cloth, so if you need to clean your picture frame, you can clean it with this. Yeah, guys, so go give them a look and maybe update some of your frames today. Can't go wrong with these.